Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can find your Revel instructions for students so that they can register for your specific Revel course. So each course that you create will have its own specific link. To find that link so that students can copy the link and register for your course, you'll want to go to your course page, so you sign into Revel. Once there, you'll see this little drop-down arrow. From here you'll see Invite Students, and you can either copy this link and send it directly to them, or you can copy the entire instructions, which will include the link. But notice the students are not asked for a course ID during this registration process, unlike all of the other Pearson technologies such as the MyLab products. So if your students have used a MyLab product in the past, they may accidentally go to the MyLab entry portal. Make sure that they are using this link to register for Revel. Thank you and have a great day.